Hello friends, welcome to 20th part of our lecture permutation. In our today's class we will be seeing the symmetric permutation Sn is abelian or not, that is non-abelian. For that we will first show that it is a group or not. In group we have four properties. First is closed, second one is associative, and the third one is identity, fourth one is inverse. We will be proving all these four properties in this class. First one, closed. For to prove that whether Sn is closed or not, we can take S1, S2, S3 goes on to Sn. Randomly I'll pick S4. I'll take two permutation from S4, F and G, and I'll prove that F composition G is also in S4. Then it holds closed. If it is not in S4, then closed is not hold. That is F in S4 and G in S4 implies F composition G is also in S4 if it is closed. If it is not closed, F composition G is not in S4. If it is not closed, F composition G is not in S4, then we can stop here and we can say that it is not a group and it is non-abelian. I'll take small permutation, F to be 1, 4, 3, which is in S4, because the maximum number is 4 here, so it belongs to S4. I'll take one more permutation G to be 2, 3, 1, which is again in S4. I'll compute F composition G, which is equal to, I'm going to write it in a short form, and I have already discussed how to do the composition mapping and how to write the shortcut form in my previous lecture, past lectures, and I have given this past lectures, these two lectures in the description box. You can see it. Since 1 is mapped to 2, 2 is again mapped to 1, I'll close this. 3 is mapped to 4, 4 is again mapped to 3, so I'll close this. So in these two, the number between these two brackets, if you consider it, the maximum is 4. So it again belongs to S4. So it is closed. Similarly, we will prove for associative, identity and inverse. Third one is identity. We have already discussed that F, I'll take a permutation F of length n, and I'll take a permutation I which is also of length n. I here is the identity permutation, and I get I F to be F itself, and I have provided this in the description box. You can refer to it. And the next is inverse. I have already discussed about inverse in the previous lectures. You can also refer this in the description box. I have given the link in the description box. You can refer to it. So it follows all the four properties. So it is a group. Group is satisfied. Now we will go for abelian. For abelian, we will see that F, I'll take a permutation F and G permutation, and I will show that if F composition G is equal to G composition F, that is commutative property. but we have already seen that commutative does not hold in composition. It is not important. This not it is not in composition does not follow commutative property. That is, F composition G is not equal to G composition F, so it is not abelian. Which is Sn, that is symmetric permutation Sn is a group but not an abelian group.